In this lesson, we are going to learn how to change Instagram profile type. Currently, you can see the Strikers Fitness Instagram profile on your screen. Currently, this profile is created as personal profile. Now we need to upgrade it to business. And for that, we'll click this edit profile. And you can see over here, first option written is switch to personal professional account. Click that. Now it will give us brief what kind of benefits professional accounts are having. So we'll reach more people, get new contacts option, continue. Now it will ask us to add the category. So here you can see a lot of categories are available. So out of this, we'll select health and beauty, and we would be getting an option to display this category on our profile. So we'll turn on this, we'll click done. Now it is asking us, are you a business? Based on your category you selected, you may be a business. You can change this at any time. So we can have two options. Either we can select our account as business or as creator. I would prefer business. So we'll select that and click next. So right over here we can add address and a lot of other things, because business profiles are having that facility. If you are having physical address, you can show that address on your profile. So we'll be adding our business address over here. So now our address is okay, so we'll click on done. We review the entire things and then we'll say yes. Right now I'm skipping this step. Welcome Strikers Fitness Center. Now you have more tools to connect with your audience on Instagram. So go to profile. Now we can see these buttons have been added over here, which were earlier not visible, right? So now if we click edit profile, we would be seeing all these things. Page category, contact option, email, phone and address, profile display, contact hidden, right? Display category label, display contact info. If I turn on this, then my this contact details will be available. So right now I have turned that on and I click on done. Now when someone is visiting this page from personal profile, what they would be saying, let's check out that. So right now I'm seeing this particular profile from my personal Instagram, and I can see Strikers Fitness, health and beauty, bio is there. There is a link to click on website, and entire address is mentioned over here. If I click on contact, email is available. If I click on message, I can go to direct message interface. So now again we'll go back to Strikers Fitness Center profile. Right now we can do one more thing, because our username is Strikers Fitness Center, but our Instagram name is Strikers Fitness. We can think about changing the Instagram name. So for that we'll click edit profile and we'll add over here. Remember this one thing, once you change the username, then you will not be able to change the same for next 14 days. So be sure and then only change if it is required. I will click done. So now my username and Instagram name are matching. I will click done. This is how you can upgrade your personal profile to business profile and take benefit of various tools available for marketing. Thank you and see you in next video.